Hi, Mark Frangillo here, your Westlaw attorney rep, with a really quick session on how to use the Table of Authorities builder you now have access to. Now, you can get to Table of Authorities builder a number of ways. One is from the law school portal, but I really do think that the easiest way would be for you to access it from Westlaw Edge itself. Now, when you are within Westlaw Edge and you click the drop down next to the name Westlaw Edge, it will list all the different products you have access to. We could go back to the law school homepage, Twin, for those of you who use Twin, but Table of Authorities Builder is a feature that is embedded within a product called Drafting Assistant. Now you click on that, it will take you to a window where you can upload your Word document. Upload your brief. This particular brief is a 30-page brief. And now what we will do is click on TOA Builder on the left-hand side of the screen. Now before you run it, it's always a good idea to either edit the existing profile or better yet, create a new one. So I'm going to just create a new profile. Just call it TOA Builder 1. If you're within a particular jurisdiction, you can just select the jurisdiction where you are, where the brief was from. This is really not typically necessary. Sometimes if if you have citations that are can share abbreviations. For example, CMR could be the court martial reporter, but in Massachusetts, CMR is Code of Mass Regulations. That's the only time that that jurisdiction box comes into play. I wouldn't worry too much about it. Next, you want to let TOA Builder know which content categories you want it to pull from. Formatting, what is your font and font size? If you're using italics and underlining or underlining for your citations in your brief, you want it to be consistent throughout. And other, do I want case name on separate line as the pages? Do I want to include subsequent history from text? Typically you don't do that. Use PASM for frequently cited sources. Do I want to combine federal and state categories? All of this is up to you. Typically, I just run it using the defaults, which are preset. Once you click Save, run TOA Builder, it may take a minute or two to run the process because right now what it is going to do is extract all of the citations from your brief. Every single page you cited a particular case from, statute, etc., etc. It's going to list them on the left-hand side of the screen. I would suggest going through the list because if you made mistakes, either you have the wrong name, wrong volume, wrong starting page, you might want to double check that before finishing, but always a good idea to go through the list. Once you are done, insert the table of authorities, pick a place within the brief where you want to insert it, click submit, and just like that, your table of authorities has been built. We have our cases, statutes, regulations, along with every page where I cited those particular sources. Click finish, you're done. Make sure you download the document and save it. This will download a copy of your brief. It does not do anything to the original version of the brief. That is it. If you have any questions, let me know, and good luck.